loves, in today's video, I will be reviewing the Ruby Kisses Go Brow Eyebrow Kit and testing some new lashes by Kiss from their Uncovered collection. I purchased the Ruby Kisses Go Brow Eyebrow Kit in the shade Black Dark Brown from the beauty supply store for $6. This kit contains 1 wax, 2 brow powders, a double-sided brush and spoolie, 3 stencils, and a mirror. The first 2 steps are to first brush your eyebrow, then follow with the brow wax on the spoolie brush to groom and shape. I do not like the spoolie. I find it to be too large. I either prefer a spiky wand or a bristled brush for a more refined and definite shape to my brow. Step 3 is to fill in sparse areas with the brow powder using the angled brush. I am combining both powders. I do like the texture of these powders. It's soft, they are very pigmented, and the perfect color for me. However, I do not like this side of the brush either. It is too small and too thin. I prefer a thicker brush to cover more area. After outlining the shape of my brow, I am now filling it in. I'm going to tell you why I do not like this wax. It was really thick, not sticky, but it felt heavy on the brow and it never dried down. As you can see, it's shiny and I do not like that, and it also soaked up the powder so my brows looked a little too dark. After brushing the product through and reshaping my brow with my concealer, this is the end result, and it didn't look too bad until I did a smear test. Earlier when I said it felt like the wax didn't dry down, I kind of figured this would happen and I was right. Now I'm going to tell you my pros and cons of the Ruby Kisses Go Brow Kit. Starting off with the reasons why I like this product. It is an all-in-one brow kit with a wax, 2 brow powders, a dual-ended brush, and a mirror, which is really convenient. The 2 brow powders included are the perfect shade for me when I mix them, and the powders are very pigmented and have a smooth texture. Of course, the 2 cons I have of this product are in regards to its wax, which does not dry down and gives a shiny finish to the brow. Since I did not like the wax that came with the Ruby Kisses Go Brow Kit, I thought I would also test out the AOA Studio Hold My Brow Clear Brow Soap, since they have the same functionality, and I thought it would be nice to compare the 2. AOA Studio is Shop Miss A's exclusive beauty brand, and I purchased this product on the Shop Miss A website for $1.55. The directions for this brow soap are first to spray the soap with water or facial spray. I just used water. Then coat a clean spoolie brush with the soap. I am using a rubber spiky spoolie. This is what I prefer to use if I'm not going to use a brow brush. The third step is to brush your brows into the direction and shape you desire, and then let the soap dry. Now that the wax has fully dried, I am mixing the 2 brow powders on my AOA E116 and outlining the shape of my brow. I am now filling in the shape that I created. One thing I really like about this brow soap is that despite the fact it dried down, leaving some white patches throughout my brow, I was able to fully cover them with the powder. I am very pleased with this brow soap, and I 100% choose this over that wax that came in the Ruby Kisses Brow Trio. Time for the smear test. As you can see, there is no product on my finger. My brow did not budge, and it's also not getting elongated at the tail. Moving on to my pros and cons of the AOA Studio Hold My Brow Clear Longwear Brow Soap. The first pro I have of this product is that it is clear. You can use any color brow product over it. The second is that it dries down completely, adhering nicely to the skin, meaning you can fill in any sparse areas. Any white residue is easily covered up by your chosen brow product, and lastly, it has a nice matte finish, which I love. As far as the cons, I don't have any. I purchased some new lashes from the Kiss Uncovered collection from Family Dollar for $3 each. I am wearing the style Clean Girl. I love these lashes. I like that the outer and inner corners are the same length. The curl is so pretty. I also like how natural they look on the eye. The volume is perfect for everyday wear. I really recommend you check out these lashes, and they're only $3. Thank you so much for watching. I will list the details on this eye look along with the other products featured in today's video down below in the description. Leave me a comment below telling me what you think of today's video, and until next time, bye loves!